age-long rule of thumb which sort of works everywhere. Money will come where money needs to be made. With Crestsoft, I think one thing we've proven, and I think that's a path which any company can take. We took our time. I mean, we didn't export the first day. I mean, it took us about 4 years to, get our first project. Wasn't easy. Our guys worked for about, 18 hours a day minimum. So it's hard work combined with luck, combined with being at the right place in the right time, which gets you to where Crestsoft is today. Maybe someone gets lucky, but it's just like, waiting, and the luck may never turn your way. I mean, today I look at Crestsoft and look at the future. We have pretty much, I mean, when we started, we were jack of all trades. I mean, people would come to us and they say, what do you do? And we'd say almost everything. So as time has gone, we've become more focused. So when we export, we don't talk about exporting everything. So we are domain specialists. We are looking at growing areas in the US where we want to market this. So end of the day, my reflections of where we've been, where we are going, I think it was a very exciting and bold initiative by the Crescent Group. It's still a small dot on our overall picture, but it's a rapidly growing part. I mean, we look at various industries which are in a crisis in Pakistan. If you look at the economic crisis of Pakistan, almost all the industries are in trouble. This is the only area which is showing signs of growth. So we are quite confident, and we have very high, like Faisal shared with you some of the things which we intend to do. I think we're very confident that Crestsoft is definitely going places. And our aim is not only to be the leading software house in Pakistan. One of the objectives is to be, a global player in this market. Recently, we were in New York and we met some of these Indian companies who had $100 million or $200 million turnover. So, I mean, that is the reality we are looking at. The biggest assets, unlike most of other businesses in Pakistan, is people. And inshallah, this year, like the past, we'll be spending a lot of time on people. Faisal mentioned something about the Human Resource Development Program, which we want to, kick off this year very aggressively. And with time, we want to grow this company to a very sizable force. Faisal mentioned a target of about 300 people. I think that's slightly on the lower side. We would like to be a little bit more aggressive. So I think end of the day, Pakistan can become a serious IT player, but the government needs to, put the focus in the right direction. We are very excited at Crestsoft. We have a good pool of people. I think another big thing Crestsoft has is all our people are our best of the breed or cream of the crop. Because when we started, there was no demand for IT people. Looking back, I think one of the achievements which I feel very good about, most of the people who started Crestsoft with me feel very good about, is, I mean, look at the well-being of an IT professional in Pakistan. I mean, I remember when we started, I mean, an IT professional, a good IT professional was just doing, paper-pushing jobs in Pakistan. And then if I look back today, and if you look at the IT people today, look where we've come. So inshallah, we will keep on working in the same direction, and we feel we have a lot more to contribute to the well-being of the IT professionals in Pakistan. Thank you, Ji. Enjoy the evening.
हम अपने तमाम मेहमानों को इस बात से मुतला करना चाहेंगे कि क्रेसेंट सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोडक्ट्स का कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस लाहौर में और वर्किंग ऑफिस कराची और इस्लामाबाद में है। लिहाजा क्रेसॉफ्ट की 7वीं सालगिरह के मौके पर इस्लामाबाद और लाहौर के आए हुए मेहमानों को याददाश्त पेश करने के लिए मैं क्रेसेंट सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोडक्ट्स कराची के एरिया मैनेजर आसिम ज़फ़र को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो स्टेज पर तशरीफ़ लाएं और आए हुए गेस्ट को याददाश्त पेश करें। आसिम ज़फ़र।
سب سے پہلے میں اسلام آباد آفس کے ڈاکٹر ہارون رشید کو اسٹیج پر بلانا چاہوں گی. ڈاکٹر ہارون رشید. اب لاہور آفس سے جناب نوید پٹیل. اور لاہور کارپوریٹ آفس سے جناب شاہد علی. اور اب اسپیشل پرائزز کا سلسلہ شروع ہوگا جو کہ ملازمین کی خصوصی صلاحیات کے اعتراف میں کمپنی ان کو دے گی. اور اس سلسلے میں سب سے پہلا نام ہمارے پاس ہے. آپ نام لیں گے؟
ایڈمن ڈپارٹمنٹ کے ایک بہت محنتی ورکنگ امپلائی عرفان مجاہد. دوسرا انعام اس سے پہلے میں آپ کو کچھ اس سلسلے میں بتانا چاہوں گا کہ کریس سافٹ ویئر کریس نیوز کا ایک نیوز گروپ جس نے شروع کیا انہوں نے، جس کی وجہ سے وہ نیوز گروپ نہ صرف انٹرنیٹ پہ آن لائن اویلیبل ہے بلکہ کریس سافٹ کی پبلسٹی میں اور کریس سافٹ کی پہچان میں اس نے ایک اہم کردار ادا کیا. اس سلسلے میں دعوت دوں گا اسرا بیگ. ڈیولپمنٹ ڈپارٹمنٹ کی ایک ڈیڈیکیٹڈ اور ہارڈ ورکنگ خاتون سمیہ انصاری.
ہمارے یہاں ایک سافٹ ویئر ایڈمنسٹریشن ڈپارٹمنٹ بھی پایا جاتا ہے جس کو ہم لوگ ناسا کہتے ہیں. ناسا کے ایک امپلائی ہیں حسنین احمد. ان کو میں